Guys, do you also want to earn money but you have no clue from where to begin? Because you have a fear of being rejected or you don't have any experience, then this video is for you. Because today I'm going to share with you the easiest and the quickest way to get any job online. And in this way, you will not get any chances of being rejected. And this job is completely free. You don't even need any kind of experience in this. So, without any delay, let's start the video. Number one, get freelance online work. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com to earn money online. These websites provide opportunities to work as a virtual assistant, in addition to other freelance services, including writing, programming, designing, marketing, and data entry. You can get your work according to your profile. So, if you are a writer, then this job is perfect for you. Number two, utilizing websites to earn money from home is another option. Another way to earn money is by utilizing websites. Here you will be getting paid by just checking other websites and giving honest feedback while you are testing them. And one of the most used and productive website is usertesting.com. You can simply visit here and test this website and it will pay you accordingly. And the most amazing thing is there is no limit to doing this work and you can do it whenever you want and earn a good amount of money. Number third, create an advertising blog and earn money from it. This is the simplest and easiest way to earn money online. Blogging. If you know about blogging, then you can write blogs and rank your domain. Once you have achieved traffic on your blogging website, you will be able to easily make money from your site using AdSense. Let me demonstrate how Google will use advertising on your site. You can see left and right side advertisements on GetAssist and also have the option to optimize ads on your website according to your convenience, like left, right, mid, top, and bottom. And guys, you can visit this website to earn money by sharing your blogs. Now, coming to number four, become an influencer on Instagram. Guys, we all know that Instagram is providing so much opportunity for the influencers. Companies are providing the opportunity to Instagram influencers on Instagram that have sizable, passionate following and are being used by businesses to promote their goods. And being an influencer, you will get a lot of paid brand shoots, promotions, and sponsorships that will help you to earn money by just reviewing their products and sharing them with your audience. Last but not the least, design and earn. Yes, you can design and earn a good amount of money. One of the best way to make money if you are a designer or have at least a basic understanding of design is through freelance work. And guys, Canva is the best design platform because there are so many ways to make money with its goods, services, and content. My favorite Canva earnings involve creating something once and receiving passive income into your bank account regularly. You can use Canva to make money by creating social media material for your customers and charging them for your design services. And I can personally suggest to you that this is one of the greatest and simplest way to make money while sitting, chilling, and working at home. So guys, that was all for today. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you also want to earn money, then you can go with one of the ways if you want any one of them. So that was all for today. I hope you like your video. If you do so, then do hit the like button. I will see you at the next one. Till then, bye bye.